have a definition of self-love from Instagram, I highly bet that you carry a very wrong perception around self-love. Hi everyone, my name is Gargi Arya. I am an alternative education expert and more than a coach for you, I think I would like to be a true friend to you who can really help you to understand and find yourself because I started my journey very early, and so I can totally relate that there's nobody who actually understands a teen's problem, and that's why I'm here to help you guys. Whether you're a teenager or whether you're a young adult, college student, just make sure that you follow us because I would really try my best to connect with you heart to heart to understand and help you find yourself, find the meaning in your life at a very early age. So let's come to the discussion of self love today. A lot of times आप जब Instagram reels देखते हो तो वहाँ पे होता है कि it is all about the happy days, luxurious days, and spa days, going out days, having party with your friends and family members. But that's not what is actually the meaning of self love. The meaning of self love is understanding yourself and going deeper जब हमारे आसपास कोई नहीं होता. If I ask you this question कि आप अपने आप से कितना प्यार करते हो, maybe it would come to you that yes, I love myself, but I'm damn sure you don't love yourself because there's only one question. When you are alone with your thoughts, what do you think about? And I can guarantee you, most of you who are watching this video, it would be negative, and that's not your fault because it's a system that has just taught us to think negative. It's a default mode of our mind, but we are going to change it together in this channel. See how stupid I am. I was keeping my mic all aside me just because I got into the flow of talking to you. So, coming back with my mic, I would like to tell you the meaning of self love in this video and how can you start developing that self love inside you. See, the first thing, agar you are watching this video, please write down your definition of self love. Ask yourself, what does self love mean to me? What do I think about myself? And believe me, when I did such questions at the age of 13 or 14, it was all devastated because I was already going through a very hardcore depression in my life, and I was like, what, man, I can't answer this question. I feel all alone. I feel that there's nobody who can listen to me. And that's when I began to go into self love, and the biggest reason why I am here is because I always tried to understand myself deeper and deeper कि अगर कोई बाहर नहीं समझ सकता, then I think I should understand myself more and more. So first, what's your definition of self-love? The second thing is, अगर आपको self-love develop करना है, I know you are a teenager or you are a young adult, and I would really love to give you very simple action steps that you can follow. First, do something that you love. Like do something that you love. I don't mean you play out games and you go out with your friends, वो तो आप करते ही हो, लेकिन अगर आप सिर्फ अपने साथ हो अपने रूम में and there's nobody around you, your parents are out, your friends are maybe not here with you right now, what would you like to do with you that can help you that can just make your heart grow more, or आपको वो बहुत अच्छा फील होता है उसको करने से. The best way is make a joy list. आपको क्या करना पसंद है? Like when I am all alone, I think this is what I do, making videos, sitting down and journaling with my thoughts, every single day waking up and writing gratitude, or watching anything that just makes me happy, playing with my pet. So just try to understand कि वो क्या ऐसी 10 to 20 things है that you can follow जब आप खुद के साथ होते हो, and it gives you that sense of fulfillment and joy within you, and you don't feel bored. And please remember to not use social media when you are alone, because self-love is not about using social media when you are alone. It's about just you, your thoughts, your diary, your pen, your walls, but no phone, no distractions. And that's what helps you to understand yourself in a very deeper way. The second step that I can give you if you're somebody who would like to follow self-love is do gratitude. I don't know whether this concept resonates with you or not, but it resonates with me a lot because हम इतने बिजी होते हैं अपनी पढ़ाई में अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कि we just don't feel like having gratitude for anybody around you. Like every single day when you wake up, I know you have school, I know you have college, but every single day में भी आप 30 minutes या 10 minutes early उठ के या जब भी आपको टाइम मिले पूरे दिन में, you can just write down those 5 to 10 things that you're grateful for. Like I'm grateful for having all of you here. I'm grateful for having this mic. I'm grateful for having a stand. I'm grateful for having a phone. I am grateful for having a home studio. I'm grateful for what I do. So just find meaning in your life. And I promise you, जब आप ये करते रहोगे ना, that negativity will go off. And I think the third step that I would like to tell you is have a routine. Like, you know, have a routine in the sense, like if you are a girl over here, then you would like to do, you know, maybe party with your friends, or you would like to have a self-care routine for your skin, or anything. It could be a beauty skin routine or something that you really like to do. If you are a boy over here, then you would like to party with your friends out there, or you would like to play games, or you would like to escape from studies. So if you are somebody like that, then just have a routine for yourself that can help you to fall in love with who you are. Because I can totally resonate when you watch yourself or when you look yourself in the mirror. Not every time you will feel happy with yourself, and maybe for some of you it could be you never feel happy with you, because there are so many people around us that keep telling you तुम कितनी छोटी है हाइट में, या तुम कितने लंबे हो, या तुम्हारे बाल अच्छे नहीं है, तुम्हारी ड्रेस कैसी है, तुम्हारी फिगर नहीं है, all these things. Because I just want to connect with you as a person over here, as a friend over here, rather than a coach. And I really hope that in the coming videos I can really make all these things in a very short way. But if you are listening to this, thank you so much. I would really love for you to please implement these 3 steps. Tell me in the comments below if you want me to cover any topic, and if anytime you want to reach out to me, just comment below the video and I would be happy to help you. Thank you so much everyone. See you all, you know, my beautiful friends.